In the process of precision machining, due to the high precision requirements of the product surface, the control of machining allowances is critical. To accurately control the machining allowance and avoid material scrapping caused by overcut, the product needs to be lifted off the machine tool several times during the machining process and transported to the CMM room for inspection. Clamping and machining are then carried out again. The process is cumbersome and there will be errors in multiple clamping. High-precision 3D scanning technology, with its high precision and powerful portability, optimizes the production process. FreeScan UE Pro from Shining 3D can directly perform 3D scanning directly on the machine tool and obtain 3D data of the product being processed.
从我做机加工的角度来讲，当然是肯定是提高了工作效率，成品率也提高了，现在几乎达到100%了。原来我们的报废率几乎要20%。如果没有我们3D 扫描的话，我们的工序，特别是到最后进刀量很少的情况下，我们为了保这个工件，就不停的去拿到上座标去检验。现在有了我们3D 扫描之后呢，基本上通过实操7天到2天，您的那个产品它的精度已经很高了。到了精加工的时候，2次3D 扫描，我们就能达到合格的产品。通过最终上座标的检验的话，几乎是100%合格。对我们这个行业，就是大的工件、核心的工件的加工确实是带来一个革命性的变化。未来如果说有同行有这样类似的加工的话，我们也会跟他推荐的。
Empowered by technology, high-precision 3D scanning truly revolutionizes the way how the machining industry controls product size. It optimizes industrial production processes, enhances efficiency, and reduces costs. Shining 3D has been a technology provider in the field of high-precision 3D scanning for 20 years. Together with manufacturing enterprises, Shining 3D will push forward the continuous development of the manufacturing industry.